component in the last video. To just do a very quick one, this is a rectifier. As you can see, these two legs are the AC, while these are the positive and the negative side. These are the various transistors we'll be using, the 2SA1943 and 2SA5200. This is our preamp board. You understand, we'll be using all this. This is our transformer here. You can see there's a big one a bit. There's a DC fan and the rest. So we'll be building everything from scratch. So we'll start from the major input, which is our AC input. This video may be a very quick, long one a bit, because I want to really explain so that all my beginners can really grab very well. Alright, so look at it. Put your meter into continuity. You want to check your switch, because we are starting it right from the AC where you plug in the stage by stage. It will get to the various level. Mind you, we'll build everything complete in this on this channel. So follow for more, subscribe. So check the condition of your switch, because it can be funny. Sometimes your switch may be bad and you connect it, and when you are testing it will not work, so that you not waste time on that. Check. See now I'm touching, no sound, press. It's giving me sound. This is a good sign. It is good. So if it is not giving you that, that means it's bad. So quick one now, all you need to do is to solder. So this is my transformer. And another thing, check the condition of your transformer, if it is good or bad too. Try to verify all those things on time. So this is my transformer. So this is, see, this is still good. That's the primary side. Let me check the secondary side. Still good too. Good. So we don't have any issue with that. I'm cutting this pin out. So this is a raw project. Right. So how we'll be doing is this. This, there are two. So this one will be connecting straight to this one. We are trying to work a switch there. So this is connecting straight with this. While the other one will come to my switch. So what I will do is this, the live will come in. So let's say this one goes in through this place now. So the switch is just cutting it halfway. When we press it, it will connect. When we disengage it, so it will not connect. That's just what switch does, which is very, very simple. So this video is helpful. Ensure you like. And in case you are in haste, feel free to forward. But this is a detailed video, so it's as if we are building it together. See me now? I wrap it around. Don't worry, I will still solder it. I only want it to be firm first. So, and then I don't know the type of some lead you have. I have a lot of type here. You can see some tiny, some are very thick. You understand? I like this thick one because it melts very, very fast. So whichever one you have, that's not a problem. The major thing is for you to solder. So let's solder it up. So how fast it's soldered also depends on your light too. You understand? Like the current voltage I'm using right now is a bit low. I just have to do this video today for you guys. Alright. So now we have a switch. If you want to verify maybe your switch is working properly, okay, let's solder this side before we do that. And you can cut this leftover. Let me adjust this so you see it clearly. Good. Good. So this other side, let me just solder it to make it firm. So we've secured this now. I can cut the leftover too. Good. So this leg is connected directly. You know, we'll cut this, instead of this one to be connected to this switch is just halfway. So if we toggle it on, don't worry, we'll test it now. So get your tape, ensure you secure your work, don't manage. Because imagine you don't tape this and it immediately contact with the body. It can be very, very dangerous. So please, safety first. Intentionally, I'm not speeding up this video, so you definitely see all the process. So you will not see a video of 10 minutes and you think I solve it in 10 minutes. It's not so. So this is the AC, major input of the AC now. So let's see if our switch is working fine now or not. So let me take my meter now. Remember, the meter is in continuity mode, or you call it boost mode, any mode you want to call it. Just touch the probe. You see the sun now. So let's touch. It's working. Let's switch it off. You see now it's doing the job. So at this point now, no voltage will be delivering. Fine. So our switch is settled now. Let's proceed to the next phase of the project. Let me adjust this. Sorry, camera stand is angry. Alright, so now let's go to the output side. So we are through with the primary side of our amplifier. Now let's go to the secondary side. Now first thing to understand, what I did here is very, very simple. Look at it. Let me see. Okay, let me bend this so you can see what is going on here. Sorry about this, my camera. Okay, should be able to manage. Just bear with this camera. Alright, it seems to be better now. Good. If you look at this middle, let me take a screwdriver. If you look at this place, this is AC, AC. So these two legs, they are the AC. You understand? So the side that is coming from this, my transformer, they are coming to this side. You understand? So this side is the positive side. This is the negative side, because this transformer, what it's just doing is stepping down the AC voltage, because the voltage that is coming in is currently 220 volts. Depending on your location, my own location we use 220 to 240. Your country may use 210. So anyone you are using, no problem. So what it's doing is going to step it down to 30 volts. You understand? So, but at this point, this is the ground. This is the ground. This is 30, this is 30, because amplifier used to, that is 30, 0, 30. You understand? No, I'm not saying 30, 0, 30 is the standard. No, I mean, like for this particular one, like they use voltage aside, that is a particular voltage and 0, which is the ground, and the other voltage. So sometimes we use the minimum of 30, then we use 40, 50 up to 70. You understand? So, but for this case, it's a small amplifier, because if I'm using a very heavy voltage, then definitely I will blow these little transistors here. Okay, so we've done the major primary side. This is the next phase, which is the secondary side. So we understand this is the ground. This is 30 volts. This is 30 volts. Don't worry. Now, understanding that now, the next thing to do is very, very simple. All you need to do is take your capacitor. If you look at your capacitor, you have negative here. Okay. The other side is positive. This is the other side of this one. This is negative. This is positive. So what I did is very, very simple. I combine. Let me sketch it so you don't get confused. I understand as a beginner it can be confusing a bit. Let me get a pen. You know, I consider you beginner a lot. Alright. That's why I say like this video, subscribe. You can see I'm not just doing a rough tutorial for view. No, I'm teaching you to be able to build yours. So let's say this is my capacitor now, the way we have it here. This is the capacitor. Remember, this area is hashed. That is the negative area. So let's call this the negative. Oh, sorry, I put positive there. Let me cancel this. So let's call it negative voltage. This side is the positive. You understand? So this side is negative. This side is positive. You understand? So that is what I simply did here. If you look at this area is ash. This is the other ash here. So what you will do is negative here, positive here. So the negative and the positive here, you will join it together with a wire. You understand? You will join it together. I believe you understand. Remember, this is our transformer. This is from the primary side. This is the secondary side here. At the secondary side, we have 3 wires coming out. So I have 30 here. Based on this transformer, 30. This side is 0. This other side is 30. You understand? So this side and this side, I connect the positive and the negative here. So what will happen is this, my 0, will come here to this middle point to connect there. So this other 30, don't worry. Any of the 30, it has no polarity until it passes through the rectifier, because it will, before it has polarity. So this side will pass and come here. I believe you understand. So this one will come here too. So I remember it has passed through the rectifier after passing through this guy. I'm just showing you how to run the connection on this capacitor. Do you understand? Because the major AC coming, this AC is coming straight to this rectifier. Then we have the positive side here, the negative side here. So let's run the connection of what I just explained so you will not get confused. Very, very simple. This video has been helpful so far. Let me hear what you think about it. Drop it. Feel free to comment. If it is bad, let me know it's bad. If it is good, let me know it is good. Don't worry, I won't be offended. So I will know how to serve you better. So these are the 3 various wires we are working with. As you can see them, this is 0, this is 30, this is 30. So my 0 is the ground. So remember, for this rectifier, this side, the various AC, so this ground is not going there. This ground is going to somewhere separate. I will explain it. And based on what I explained here for the capacitor, you know, I said positive and negative together, which we did here. So the other side is here. We'll still get there, don't worry. So now, this is our AC now. So the first 30, take it to this AC side of the rectifier. So you can wrap it along and just solder it. You understand? The second one, which is the other 30, you know, do the same thing there. Wrap it along. So now, time to solder. The reason why I just wrap it is I like my connection being firm. Okay. I believe you see it. See, I'm not jumping any process. I'm not speeding up my video. I want you to see everything raw. So you can see it now from the secondary side. So the other one we have left is the ground. So look at what I did though, that you will not get confused. So you can see it, AC. Where is my screwdriver? This AC. These 2 sides are the one receiving the AC. So this transformer has dropped the 220 down to 30. So the first 30 is here now. The second 30 is here too. Do you get it now? So this is 30 now here. The other 30 is here too. You can see, very, very simple, like ABC. Now, what now happens is this. If you look at this side, this is positive. You see the other side, negative. So this is the negative. So remember when I explained that you connect the negative and the positive side of this capacitor together, which I already did with the wire before. This is my negative side. So the negative side here, you can see this negative will now be going to the negative side of this one here. The positive side here will be going to the positive side here. I believe you fully understand. If you don't grab what I said, feel free to back the video, rewatch, so that you understand it. I'm not speaking any different language beyond English, okay? So you grab it, okay? Back it, rewatch. So now this is our ground. Now at this point, these 2 sides will, because if you look at the voltage, what is coming out is 30, although it will increase after rectification. But now, what is here now is positive side, this side is the negative side. We already looped these two together, so these two now will now serve as the center tap, the ground for the middle. You understand? So my ground will be coming to this middle point now. So any ground we need on our board now, this is where we are tapping it from. And because of that, I will just connect that down with another wire I have here, because at some point we'll be needing the ground. So let me just run the connection down for that ground. So this is the ground coming from the transformer, because we'll be needing the ground on the board. So I'm tapping it hard. I'm connecting another wire to serve that purpose. So we are almost done with the rectification stage, because this is the power stage, which is very, very important. You don't want to make any stupid mistake here. If you make, it can cost you a lot. So now let's set it. Let's see. Ensure all your connections are firm. I believe you see it now. So AC, first AC to here, second AC to this, then my ground, the black one, connected to this middle now. So in case I need ground on my connection later, I can easily pick my ground from here now. So the positive, the negative has been supplied to this side, which this is. So henceforth, our working will be using this side as our negative, this side as our positive. So any point we need negative connection, this is the negative, this is for our positive side. I believe you fully understand. Very, very simple. So we'll successfully connect AC supply straight, and we'll put switch straight to our transformer, from our transformer to our rectifier, then to the filtering process, whereby everything is fully rectified. You can see all our connection, very, very neat. So this is negative side, this is positive side, and this is the ground connection. So for today's video, we've been able to design the power side, or the power stage of our amplifier. So in the next video, we'll start how to start the major amplifier and to connect it with our preamp. Then we'll connect this power together, then we'll test run it. I will now show you how to add volume, how to add input socket, and the rest. If this video has been really helpful to you, do well to like, subscribe for more. And in case you feel like supporting me, because I'm working on getting a good camera, and if you have anyone you want to dispose, you can feel free to contact me. I will really appreciate that. And in case you want to support me in getting one, you see a link in my description that says show me love. You can donate anything you want to do to donate. I really appreciate that. Thank you so much. See you guys in my next video, where we'll start the building of the amp. We are through with the power stage. See you.